The entire point of sourcing our products from Alibaba is to get good quality products at an affordable price. Today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys a few quick tips on how you can save when you're shopping with Alibaba, thus leading to a higher profit margin for your business. Hey guys, it's Viva La Pink Posh. Welcome back to my channel. And for those of you who are new here, welcome guys. So here on my channel, I create free entrepreneurial videos, giving you guys information, tips and tricks on how to be financially free, all from the comfort of your home. So we are generating this income from online, guys. So my first tip is going to be, whenever you can, when you're shopping on Alibaba, make sure that you are ordering your products in advance, as in like a few months in advance. As a small business owner, it's definitely important to keep track of your inventory and your products so that you are able to order in advance. If you're ordering your products in advance, you're able to utilize more affordable shipping options, such as shipping by sea. But yes, of course, shipping by air is much faster than shipping by sea, but shipping by sea will always be more affordable. So shipping by sea takes around 30 to 45 days for your package to arrive at your door, whereas if you are shipping by air, it can arrive anywhere from 3 to 10 business days. And shipping by air is more expensive than using the sea option, so definitely try to order your products in advance so you are cutting down your shipping costs. The second tip is actually going to be drop shipping. A lot of you guys don't know about drop shipping, but you can actually drop ship from Alibaba.com, and you can also use their sister website, which is AliExpress.com. So instead of keeping stock and inventory of the products that you sell in your business, you can just have Alibaba or AliExpress ship the products out for you. So to do this, you would have to actually do your research and check on Alibaba to see which products are actually able to be drop shipped. Not everything is able to be drop shipped, so you would definitely have to do your research as to what products you are going to be drop shipping. If you are drop shipping your products and you're not keeping inventory of your products and you're not having to ship the products yourself, this is literally going to cut down your profit margin to like 50%, because you're literally not going to have to keep stock. You're not going to have to spend money on packaging supplies. You're not going to have to spend money on shipping. They are literally going to do everything for you. So this is why so many people recommend drop shipping. So the third tip is going to be a super important tip. When you're shopping with Alibaba, you want to make sure that the supplier that you are going to be working with, the supplier you're going to be giving your money, you want to make sure they are an actual manufacturer and they are not a trading company. There are actually not a lot of videos about Alibaba and how some of these companies are actually trading companies and not all of them are manufacturers where they are making the actual product that they are selling. Some of them are actually traders. It sounds funny saying the word traders. Some of them are actually trading companies, and they would literally be the middle person in the transaction, because they are literally going to sell you products that they are getting from another person who is actually manufacturing it. So why not just skip the middleman and go straight over to the person who's actually manufacturing the product? So you definitely want to make sure that the supplier you're going to be working with is actually manufacturing the product that you are buying. The fourth tip is going to be to negotiate with your suppliers. So in general, Chinese companies do not give huge discounts. The most you can expect is to get a 10% discount. So what you want to do is find 3 suppliers of the product that you are interested in buying. You're going to get those 3 suppliers and you're going to find the product that you are looking to buy, and you're going to get a price quote from these 3 companies. So whichever company has the lowest price, you're able to go with that company. But if you go to that company's profile and you see certain products that the other people don't have, and you want them to match the product price, then you could definitely go ahead and ask them if they are willing to price match the price that another supplier gave you. The most they will ask you is for a screenshot of the conversation and the person actually saying that they're going to give it to you for this price. I've done this multiple times, and 9 out of 10 they usually always approve the price match and they go ahead and give me the same price as the other person offered, and then I'm able to just choose multiple products from that supplier. So do not get on Alibaba.com and think you're going to be saving hundreds of dollars, because no, it does not work like that. When you do start to build relationship with your suppliers, they do give you coupons on the regular. When you're ordering a certain amount of products, they do give you coupons, but this is actually after you have established relationships with your supplier. For the fifth and the last tip is actually not a tip for saving money, it's more of a protection tip. So whenever you are purchasing products from Alibaba, you want to make sure you're using trade assurance, because this is literally going to put insurance on your purchase, and if anything happens, you're able to get your money back, or you will be able to get a repeat order. Also, if you're not using trade assurance, you do want to pay by PayPal, because PayPal is literally a great protection for us buyers as small businesses. When we are purchasing overseas, it kind of gives us extra insurance. Again, if they do not ship the order or if it gets lost, then most likely you will be reimbursed. Definitely use trade assurance or PayPal to pay for your orders. I do not recommend using Western Union or somehow wiring the companies or suppliers money. I do not recommend using that. So yeah guys, that's gonna be it for today's video on how to save money when you're using Alibaba as a source for your small business. If you guys have any other Alibaba videos you guys would like, I would definitely love to create these videos for you. I am here for you guys. If you're having a problem struggling with something, then more than likely someone else is. So just comment your questions, comment your struggles, and I will definitely make a video replying back, because like I said, it will more than likely, it will help you, but it will also help somebody else. And it also helps me to create content. Again, I'm here to help you guys, and I am very knowledgeable about Alibaba. Literally, when you search Alibaba, my picture pops up, my video pops up, and I'm like, what the heck? I'm literally like the Alibaba GOAT. So definitely, you guys, I'm at your disposal. Comment your questions, your concerns, your struggles, comment them below, and I will make a video helping you guys, because again, it could be helping someone else. So that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you're subscribed and you turn on your notifications so you're notified when I upload every Monday and Thursday, guys. Peace and much love. Bye, guys.